There's this general saying that a man's worst enemy, is actually from a member of his household. It's so prominent that people begin to wonder. Sometimes when you are closest to achieving your dreams, I think you should look inward. That is drawing you back, but be somebody closest that you never know. Well, as we speak, it looks like one of their very own, the indigenous people of Biafra, have finally pinpointed those UGM, who they are and where the federal government should be looking towards. And he has very strong words to say, having been with them, having noticed and known their modus operandi, and having known how they work. And he's saying, this is it, this is how it's being done. Well, you have your own time to, bisect this whole information very quickly. But before we do so, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see that notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, Uchemefo, the estranged deputy leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, on Tuesday said the secessionist movement are the UGM. Strong statement. He said that the UGM doing a lot of mayhem to the southeastern part of Nigeria. Mefo was reacting to a statement last week by the indigenous people of Biafra, where it warned UGM from bringing down innocent people in southeast to disease forthwith. According to Mefo, via his social media page, he said the spirit of Igbo land is angry. He criticized the IPOB, indigenous people of Biafra, for its pretentious, hypocritical damage control. I quote him, UGM declares chaos against UGM. What a tragedy. We warned you, and your reckless utterances, ill-advised, ill-conceived, self-inflicted, self-destructive campaign of horror and violence in Biafra land would lead to anarchy, lawlessness, and proliferation of armed militia groups. In the struggle for restoration of Biafra, all hands must be on deck. What goes up must come down. Remember this statement. Is it a magic that all of you who lied against me, that's my for talking still, and others are all lying against yourselves, including your leader? The spirit of the land is angry with all of you. When you ignore strategists on strategic advice on issues like this and of this magnitude, the consequences are bound to be indeterminate. These are strong statements, having known the fact that he has been the deputy, the vice after Nnamdi Kanu was actually him. So a lot of people have the opinion that he definitely knows what he's saying. But I'm going to take cross section of what people are saying. But honestly, these are very strong allegations he's saying, and saying it with his full chest, with his full eyes open and his conscience open. This is strong. This one here is saying, I'll take this very quickly. This one here is saying, our Igbo brothers are so not coordinated that anytime you reason differently, you are a traitor or whatever. During the 2015 election, every Igbo man that joined APC was called names. We must drop sentiment, emotions, and embrace good judgment and reasoning. The Buhari that we carry on our head that will turn Nigeria into an Islamic country is about to finish his tenure. Even if it turns Nigeria to anything, why are we fighting wrongly and putting ourselves to a disadvantage? Nonsense. This one here is saying, thank you, my brother. Is this not what we have been preaching since? The moment you did not support an action of indigenous people of Biafra, you are already a slave to Fulani. This is serious. This one here is saying, Mechie betrayal like you who sold conscience for 5,000 naira. This one is replying him. So yes, I don't know that we have people like this in Igbo land who uses foresight to reason like human beings. May God continue to protect you from the enemies within. This one here is saying, yes, we have followed them to a reason foolishly in the past, which reasoning led them to give every Igbo man 20 pounds and were sucked. Immediately we reason and let's withdraw boundaries, assigning our rich mineral resources to adjoining places. We also reasoned with them when ended losing our houses in one Nigeria. Remember Akaluka, who was brought down for laughing at Amajiri and his head out on the spike. We are still reasoning with them by sending Ojuzo Kalu to go and visit MNK in their daddy's custody. Such visit may not end up in using remote sensor to transfer invidious salt into MNK. I don't know what that he's trying to say. I guess he's actually talking sarcasm. I'm not so sure now. This one here is saying, I think you got it wrong because you are either a psychophant with wrong orientation. Buhari has disorganized the structure of the Igbo people since he came by bringing down so many people. I desire you respect yourself. ESN was only created after the Fulani started doing all sorts of things in Southeast, and it's never designed to directly impose to the people to become them, but is to trickishly and physically impose and resist it in the musical field. We need to do the needful. No space of Gambari and Bemenda land. I don't know what that means. This one here is Okempe. I wonder what Okempe also means. A lot of reactions are going on here. This one is Uche Mefo is one of them. He has not denounced his membership of IPOB, so he is unknown UGM also. This one here is saying like you don't know that IPOB members are the UGM. Serial. This one is serious. So this one is Uche Mefo said the simple truth, which IPOB, that's Indigenous People of Biafra supporters, do not understand because they are mainly semi-literate and lack logical reasoning. This one here is saying kudos to you. Mind not the demand that spoke before. Leave Biafra and go with Nigeria. Must we be forced into the marriage? All right, a lot of reactions are going on. Some of them are actually coming against Uche Mefo, as some are actually supporting him. But honestly speaking, in this kind of radar and this kind of time, some people say that Uche Mefo did not renounce IPOB. I think he did at some point. He said he's a member of the Biafran struggle. He didn't say he's still a member of the. He resigned as a deputy. I think he actually totally left the group also. I think so, but I think he's still under the Biafran struggle. But this time around, in a different dimension. I think it's also with Asari Doku. But what I'm saying in effect is this kind of statement that SB has made, it will consolidate. Now, hear it now. HM4 is saying something. He's going to consolidate with what Lai Mohammed, who is not even an Igbo man, said. He's going to consolidate with what Festus Keyamo, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, have said concerning this matter, who is also not an Igbo man. Now, when an Igbo man is shooting or when an Igbo man is speaking against his fellow Igbo man in an open space, what do you expect? In other words, what you are saying in effect is that you are dragging them to your brother's side, saying this is how it's being done, and it may not really all go well. Well, as you speak, now, I would have preferred, or I would have thought that he would have probably called the people in the corridor of power, I'm talking about the DOE or DOS, and tell them how to go about this logically without necessarily bringing attention. But I guess, as it is, they've already called him names. I think the indigenous people of Biafra don't even want to see him eye to eye. And it's now saying with all boldness that actually the UGM are actually IPOB. IPOB ESN is the UGM, conforming with what the presidency and those in power, corridor of power, are saying. And this may not really go well for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is currently in detention, and who the elders of the Igbo land are seeking for unconditional release for him. That's what's going on.